Come on, Cotton. Cotton. Kitty, 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 kitty.
At least 23 people were rescued. There are no reports of any deaths just yet. We'll update you when we get new developments into our newsroom this morning and throughout the day.
Bless you.